How to fix call indeed problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to check your balance. Ensure you have enough balance in your account if you are using a prepaid network. For each provider has a specific code to check your balance, so let's verify it first. So as you can see that my current balance is rupees 0 and I already have taken loan as well. That's maybe the reason why my call has been ending every time when I call any person. So, this may be the issue for you. If this is not the issue, you need to simply say the default phone application. You can easily open settings and now scroll down, tap on apps, open default apps. And you need to make sure to select phone app and ensure it's set correctly. The next step you can follow is simply you can clear the cache and data for phone apps. So simply long press the application icon and then tap on I button. You will reach on app info section of phone app where you need to tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. This will clear different kinds of glitches and bugs from your device. Now simply restart your phone. Use the volume and power button combination for your device to restart, or simply you can hold the power button as well. Now slide towards restart and your issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.